Instruction set of a PLC, you will find few more instructions which are related to the arithmetic application or arithmetic operations. Let me go to those instructions and I'll show you which are various arithmetic instructions you can configure using this compiler.
So first go to the implementation of PLC arithmetic instructions.
Go to simulator.
Once you go to the simulator, the same compiler which you have used will open, but in this case you will find there is an additional functionality which is called as arithmetic instructions.
So click on that. So there is a functionality called as add. Now I'll just explain you one by one. If I click this and add, it's an output instruction, so add here. So you will have to configure this as what will be.
You will have to label, for example, what is A, what is value of A, label B, value of label B. Where do you want to save the result, that is D label result?
Once you configure this, add instruction will take place. Now if you want to see more instruction, add one more rung and then go to arithmetic.
In case of sub instruction, it is A minus B is equal to C.
Configure this as label this, label A, value of A, label B, value of B, and store the result in label result. And you can submit, you will get this output in the result form. If you want to add one more instruction called as mul, that is a multiplication.
In case of multiplication instruction, it is A into B is equal to C.
So you label A, label B, get value of A, get value of B, and label result where do you want to keep the result. Similarly, there is one more instruction called as div. So go to this, add div, and this is the division instruction.
In division instruction, A divided by is equal to C.
Now while doing this, you can configure label A, label B, and result C. Similarly, there is one more instruction called as compute, and this instruction is configured like output instruction here and put the instruction over here.
Now, compute expression, here the most important thing is you have to add here the expression. So what is the label for that? Which expression you want to compute, like A into B, A is greater than B, where do you want to save the result?
And that is called as destination of label. Once you configure this, you can use these instructions for various purposes.
For example, if you have in tank A some level, in tank B some level, you will have to find out how much is the level in tank C if you drain A and B.
With the help of these instructions, you can solve, and those results can be then used in your logic and you can solve arithmetic functions.
Now let me talk about one assignment. For example, tank A 20% level, tank B has 10% level. What will be the level in tank C if you have drained tank B?
Find out which instruction is important over here, or the instruction like if you have the parameter value of a temperature like X, and to compensate and to get the correct value of the temperature, you have to multiply with a fixed value and get the output, and that output will be used in your logic. Find out which instruction and how this instruction can be configured. Similarly, you can try it for division instruction and compute instruction.